This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready, open Google Drive and pick a destination folder because organization saves time. Click New, choose File Upload, or simply drag your selected photos into the folder. This starts the transfer immediately. Use batches of a few files if your connection is slow. Once the upload begins, watch the small progress indicator at the bottom, right, so you know it's active. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi to avoid mobile data charges. Once files are uploading, monitor the progress bar so you can estimate completion time and avoid interruptions. When each photo finishes, right-click to rename, add a description, or move it into subfolders for better organization. That helps when you search later. If you need large batches, select multiple images with Shift or Control for one action. Make sure to check file formats. Google Drive stores originals, so you can later download full-resolution copies if needed. After uploads complete, verify thumbnails and file sizes to confirm every photo transferred correctly. Now set sharing. Open a file or folder, click Share, and choose Viewer, Commenter, or Editor depending on access you want. This keeps control clear. If you're syncing from mobile, open the Drive app and confirm background sync finished. If something goes wrong, check your Google storage quota, refresh the page, or upload failed files. Often clearing cache or switching browsers resolves stubborn upload errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.